Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Permethrin SFR is a permethrin emulsifiable concentrate insecticide. This product is a synthetic pyrethroid that works by interfering with the insect's nervous system. Permethrin SFR controls many different species of insects, but we recommend it primarily for indoor and outdoor use to control fleas, sodworms, and mosquitoes. It's even effective at controlling wood-destroying insects like carpenter ants and termites. Permethrin SFR is an emulsifiable concentrate, which means it will have an odor, it can potentially stain vinyl siding or other plastic-based surfaces, and it does not do well on porous surfaces like brick or raw wood, as the product will absorb into the material and be less effective. Permethrin SFR has a high concentration of the active ingredient permethrin, so it is important to measure the product accurately before mixing. Inaccurate measurements can result in varying concentrations of the product when applied, leading to an inconsistent result. Permethrin can also harm some plants if the concentration is too high, so it's important to read the label and know which plants you are applying to. Permethrin SFR is labeled for application to various livestock and even dogs, but is very toxic to cats. Do not use this product directly on a cat and make sure the product has completely dried before allowing animals or people around the application site. If these concern you, check out Flex 1010. Flex 1010 can be used as a broadcast spray indoors as well as outdoors and controls the same pests as Permethrin SFR and many more. Before using Permethrin SFR, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. You can mix permethrin at a varying rate, depending on the level of infestation and the targeted pest. Always follow label directions for proper mix rate, and do not over-apply. Overuse of the product could decrease its effectiveness or harm your plants. Permethrin SFR comes in an easy-to-use squeeze-and-measure bottle. To measure with a squeeze-and-measure bottle, remove the cap on the smaller measuring reservoir and squeeze the bottle. Use the measurement lines on the reservoir to collect the required amount. Fill your sprayer halfway with water and add the product. Add the rest of the water and thoroughly agitate your sprayer, and you're ready to apply. Permethrin SFR can be used as a broadcast spray indoors and outdoors. We recommend using a hose and applicator on your lawn to achieve an even distribution of the product. Permethrin can also be applied to ornamentals as treatment for various plant-destroying insects and even be used to treat wood against wood-destroying insects. Permethrin SFR can be applied as a flea spray or dip for dogs and many livestock animals. However, we recommend consulting a veterinarian and reading the label before use to ensure proper treatment levels and where to apply the product to the animals. You can apply Permethrin SFR with either a pump sprayer, a hose-end sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a spray rig for large volume application. Apply permethrin during calm days where rain is not in the immediate forecast, and keep all pets and people off the treated areas until they're dry. Permethrin SFR has a residual of up to 30 days. We typically recommend spraying monthly for preventative control. Permethrin SFR is not an instant kill. Some insects can die in as little as 30 minutes, but for others, it can take a few hours for it to die. Depending on your targeted pest life cycle, you may need to reapply in 14 to 21 days. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of just one product. Typically, you'll also need an insect growth regulator and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.